Okeechobee, Palm Beach, and St. Lucie, and the following marine locations.
We got a tornado watch.
Waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, about 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters
I'll go. We got a tornado watch.
Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio,